Good evening, ma'am. I am M. Manoj Kumar from Triple E Section A. Today I am going to explain a case study topic Global Response to Climate Change for CA2. First, introduction to climate change. Climate change is a pressing global issue affecting weather patterns, sea levels, and biodiversity. Human activities, particularly greenhouse gases emissions, are the primary drivers of climate change. A comprehensive global response is essential to mitigate its impacts and promote sustainability. The picture shows the effects to the ocean due to climate change. The effects are the ocean becomes warmer and the less oxygen is produced and the water becomes more acidic. The international agreements. The Paris Agreement is the best example of international agreements, which is adopted in 2015. Aims to limit global warming below 2 degrees. That is, the Paris is decided that it aims to limit the global warming to below 2 degrees Celsius. Countries set nationally determined contributions to outline their climate action plans. The agreement emphasizes the importance of transparency and accountability in climate commitments. National commitments. Countries worldwide have developed national determined contributions to outline their climate actions. Some nations aim for net zero emissions by mid-century, showcasing their commitment to long-term sustainability. These commitments vary widely in ambition and implementation, highlighting the diverse challenges faced by different nations. Renewable energy initiatives. Nowadays, the government is planning to obtain electrical energy from the renewable energy sources only. The transition to renewable energy sources like wind, solar, and hydroelectric power is crucial to reducing carbon emissions, which does not cause any pollutions and cause any climate change. Governments and businesses are investing heavily in clean energy technologies to accelerate this transition. Increased renewable energy capacity can lead to job creation and economic growth while minimizing environmental impact. The pict- the diagrams in the picture shows the non-renewable energy source in the left side and the renewable energy sources in the right side. The non-renewable energy sources causes pollution, which leads to the climate change. The non the renewable energy sources doesn't cause any impacts in the pollution and any impacts in the climate change. Climate finance. Financial support for developing countries is essential for climate adaptation and mitigation efforts. The Green Climate Fund was established to assist vulnerable countries in their climate response strategies. Mobilizing private investment is also critical in achieving the funding necessary for large scale climate initiatives. Climate adaptation strategies. Countries are implementing adaptation strategies to prepare for the unavoidable impacts of climate change. These strategies include improving infrastructure, enhancing agricultural resilience, and protecting natural ecosystems. Effective adaptation measures can reduce vulnerability and improve community resilience to climate related hazards. Some of the climate adaptation strategies are shown in the picture. Emergency preparedness and management, climate health, climate and health financing, leadership governance, health workforce, vulnerability capacity and adaptation assessment, health and climate research, etc. are the climate adaptation strategies. Public awareness and education plays a crucial role in global response to climate change. Raising public awareness about climate change is vital for fostering community engagement and action. Education programs are increasingly focusing on sustainability and climate literacy to empower future generations. Grassroots movements and campaigns play a crucial role in pushing for policy changes and sustainable practices. Role of technologies. Nowadays, technology plays a crucial role to fight against climate change. Innovative technologies are emerging as key tools in the fight against climate change. Carbon capture and storage, electric vehicles and smart grids are examples of tech-driven solutions because these doesn't create any pollution which leads to the climate change. These are best examples of tech-driven solutions. Investment in research and development can accelerate the deployment of these technologies on a global scale. Conclusion. The global response to climate change requires continued commitment from governments, businesses, and individuals alike. While progress has been made, much more needs to be done to achieve desired climate targets. A collaborative efforts across all sectors is essential to create a sustainable and resilient future for our planet. The graph in the picture shows the how the climate change will be increased along the years. Thank you, ma'am.